I really want to see how far. This thing's so fast. Oh god, this game. I'm going to finish this game this night. It's crazy, right? Okay. That's what's up. Don't waste time. Sharp, sharp. Tricycle. Fast. Don't waste time, bro. Behind, just left everything. You're doing your thing. Let me play this game to the finish and let's see what happens if I finish the game. What would happen if I finish the game? Oh, guys, thank you so much for joining. I was playing this game in the afternoon and then I got so busy. I needed to attend to family issues, so I couldn't continue. But this night I'm going to finish the game. Oops. It's crazy. This one is hard though. Careful. Yeah, that's good. Guys, please subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share this live to so many people. I'm almost finishing this game because I've played this game for a very long time, and I welcome everybody that is coming to watch me. And get a TV set. So I played this game up to this level, and I'm going to play it and reach the highest level. I have 13 people watching me already. That's great. That's a big one. Welcome, guys. They look at him like, you are a suspect. Once the train goes, they'll just yeah. I love this game. This is the most played game on YouTube Games. About 60 million people have played this game, or they are playing this game. I mean, I'm going to be one among the people that play it to the finish. And if I have not been consistent, I would have finished this thing. Go. Wow. I've been very, very busy. This bike is not even your bike. You're using it to do younger. I'll carry it and let me see what you do. Guys, I'm looking at my subscribing stuff. Do it again. The AC. Oops. Yay. I'll go like this. This my hand is long, man. You can stretch his hand to me. Oh god, I have 10 stages to finish this game. Guys, type congratulations to us. All of you that have monitored me play this game. We have just 9 stages. Isn't that great? I have 9 stages. Come like this. Careful. It seems another part of this game will be harder than this one. They're pretty simple. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Maybe look at where they're hanging those cubes. Hmm. No, those things do not belong to you now. Just 4 stages. Jesus Christ. Okay, let me see. Let's have it. Let's have it. Thank you for like. Thank you for the subscribe. That's wicked Logan. Why would you have somebody's blanket and then put on yourself? You have done something good. Use this spray. Ah, that one just finished. Be very, very careful. Yeah, very, very careful. So much anticipating to see what the end of this game will be. Guys, please subscribe, like, and share this live. 99. Why is it having so many snakes now? Can I allow one snake to bite me? This is the final stage for this game. Wow. Stage 400. Level 400. You know, I've played this game to the finish. I am the champion. I'm one of the champions of this game. You see? At least they would have given me some reward now. Okay, so guys, we're done with this particular game. There's no level again. So we hope that they will bring more level for us. So what to play? You see, just started. Came all the way to this place. So we are one of the champions of this game. Alright. Let's look for another one. What kind of game do you think I should play? What kind of game do you think I should play? I'm done with that one. Puzzle. So. I'll try now. See you. Welcome, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. They doing. So I'm making somebody. So I'm a creator, I will do it. Is that how God created me? Look at what I'm creating now. I don't really like this particular game. I don't like it. Okay, bye, bro. Let's play basketball, guys. It's not looking like it. But it's kind of a challenging game. So, guys, we're playing this game together. hot. Oh. OTP now. Yes. Two alphabets. Okay. What's the name, guys? What's the word, guys? Oh, it's here. Guys, type in the comment section. Guys, thank you so much for joining with me. I wish I would have continued this live stream, but I'm feeling sleepy. So, everybody that came out to watch me, to watch the game, so much I appreciate you guys. Wherever you're watching from, thank you so very much. The game will still continue, but I need to rest, okay? Love you all. Good night. Have a wonderful night. Bye bye.